Hello everyone, I have a question for you. 9 plus 7 divided by 7 plus 9, and I will solve this question by using two methods, method 1 and method 2, and you have to decide which method is correct. First of all, 9 plus 7, it is equal to 16 divided by 9 plus 7, it is 16. Now 16 divided by 16 is equal to 1, hence in first method our answer is 1. Now come to second method, and first of all, we will solve deviant. So 9 plus 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1 plus 9. Now 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 plus 9. So our answer will be equal to 19. Now, you have to decide which method is correct. But according to my point of view, that method 2, is correct because we have followed the order of operation according to PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS? Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So if multiplication and division are involved, first of all, we have to solve division. And this question has division and addition, so we will perform division first, then addition. So in this method, we solved addition first. That's why it is wrong. And in this question, we have solved it according to order of operation. That's why it is correct. So 19 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my video and channel.